I got involved with GLAM camp by meeting Miss Robin and learning about the program, and it really intrigued me.
My mom, she introduced me to it, and she saw it on the website, and I wanted to get signed up because it sounded interesting.
I'm Robin Ricks. I'm the Vice President of Policy and Advocacy at Manufacture Alabama and the founder and executive director of Girls Learning About Manufacturing. The mission of GLAM is really simple. We want to create interest in careers in manufacturing among the next generation of women who are going to enter the workforce.
My role here at the college is I'm the Dean of Workforce and Economic Development. And one of the things that we found out is we wanted to make sure that we allow young ladies in our community to be involved in advanced manufacturing, and the way we do that is work with Manufacture Alabama and GLAM and try to get those young ladies involved in the advanced manufacturing sector.
Getting to learn about manufacturing has been a really eye-opening experience. I never considered that it would be a field that I'd like to enter, but honestly now it's a future that I would like to consider. I love the aviation experience that we got to learn about at Airbus. I would love to be a pilot and test planes for them.
I wanted to attend GLAM camp because girls learning about manufacturing sounds cool, and I wanted to learn way more stuff than I already knew because I absolutely did not know anything.
Yeah, I definitely feel a lot of pride about Bishop being a part of GLAM. When you see those young ladies that they come in and they're kind of scared, and then the next day you see them after they've done some activities, they're so confident, they're bright-eyed, and they know that there's a lot of opportunities here for them in the advanced manufacturing and the manufacturing sectors.
The women that I connect with and that these students connect with through GLAM programs are the kindest, smartest, most generous people that I've ever met. It is really a gift to be able to watch women who are passionate about their chosen career fields choose to give of their time and their talent to share that passion with the next generation. It's a really special thing to get to witness on a regular basis. And I just feel so fortunate to be a part of it, and honestly just feel so hopeful for the future of this industry as our program continues to grow and expand.
I don't know, just people come because it's actually really fun.